Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought beautiful idea about resin keychain with beautiful color combination, pink and metallic. You can say it moon. Oh, first please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will bring for you beautiful ideas about resin. I am pouring golden flecks. Then I will pour pink color. I have some stars. Very beautiful. Now I am pouring colorful resin. It will look very beautiful. With the help of epoxy resin. Very useful art. Very easy to make. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.